What if DJI is about to change the mini drone market all over again? Not with a small update, not with one flashy feature, but with a drone that could improve almost everything at once. That is exactly why drone fans and industry insiders are paying incredibly close attention to the latest Mini 6 Pro rumors. If these leaks are true, DJI is working on its most powerful sub-250-gram drone yet. And for travel creators, YouTubers, and aerial filmmakers, this could be a massive deal. Over the last few weeks, reports suggest DJI has started internal testing for the Mini 6 Pro. Now, nothing is officially confirmed by DJI. That part is very important. But when supply chain leaks, testing rumors, and product cycles all point in the same direction, it's time to pay attention. DJI usually follows a familiar path: internal testing, certification, and then a launch. In the past, each Mini model improved one or two major things. The Mini 3 Pro gave us a larger sensor. The Mini 4 Pro pushed omnidirectional obstacle sensing and tracking. But the Mini 6 Pro sounds entirely different. Instead of just polishing one area, rumors suggest DJI is redesigning the entire experience. Camera quality, autofocus, low-light performance, AI flight, battery life, and signal stability could all improve together. This isn't a standard yearly refresh. It could be the most meaningful mini upgrade we have seen so far. The biggest rumor right now revolves around camera. Leaks suggest DJI may use a stacked CMOS sensor instead of a traditional design. While that sounds highly technical, the real-world benefits are simple. A stacked sensor reads data much faster. That means smoother motion, less rolling shutter, quicker autofocus, and vastly cleaner footage in difficult light. It helps the camera react faster to capture more usable detail. And then there is the 6K video rumor. A lot of people still publish in 4K, which is completely fine, but shooting in 6K gives editors so much more room to work. You can crop in without losing detail, stabilize footage more cleanly, and reframe a shot in post. Combined with better HDR and dynamic range, the Mini 6 Pro could become a powerhouse for landscape and sunset videos where highlights hold better and shadows stay clean. Key insight: for a drone in the sub-250-gram class, bringing 6K and a stacked sensor would be a revolutionary step forward. Another feature that could completely change your shooting experience is a mechanical variable aperture. It might not sound as flashy as 6K, but it could be the most useful upgrade of all. Most mini drones use a fixed aperture. When the light changes, you have to land and swap ND filters to control exposure and maintain your shutter speed. A variable aperture gives you freedom right inside the camera settings. You can open it up or close it down as clouds roll in or the sun sets, giving you perfect control over motion blur without pushing your ISO too far. If DJI fits this into a 249-gram drone, that is a massive engineering win. Battery life is another area poised for a huge impact. Rumors point to DJI moving to silicon anode battery technology. In simple terms, the drone could store more energy without needing a bigger, heavier battery. Insiders believe ideal flight times could push close to 50 minutes. Even if real-world flights in the wind land closer to 40 minutes. Longer flight time means fewer battery swaps and more time to wait for the perfect light. The AI side of this rumor is just as exciting. DJI already has incredible tracking, but leaks suggest the Mini 6 Pro is moving toward predictive AI tracking. Instead of just reacting to where a subject is, the drone will predict where they're going next. If a runner or car passes behind a tree or turns a corner, smarter tracking helps the drone recover smoothly instead of giving up. Finally, night performance could see a massive jump. With faster sensor readout and upgraded obstacle sensing, flying in low light will feel much less stressful. So far, this is one of the most exciting drone rumors we've ever covered. It sounds like DJI is trying to turn the Mini series into a near-flagship powerhouse. A smarter drone, a stronger camera, longer flight times, and better low-light results, all while staying incredibly small and light. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, the Mini 6 Pro will be an absolute must-have. What do you think about these rumored specs? Let me know down in the comments, and if you want, and to stay updated on the Mini 6 Pro launch, make sure to hit subscribe.